Helium 10 promo code. Step-by-step maximum savings guide. All right, step by step. Here's exactly how to get maximum savings on Helium 10. Step 1. Click the promo code link in my description below right now. Don't go to Helium 10's website directly. The special pricing only activates through promo links below. Click the link below in the description to get the amazing discount, or the first pinned link in the comment section below this video. Step 2. When the page loads, you'll see all the plans. Pick the one that matches your needs. Don't just grab the cheapest or the most expensive. Actually read what's included. It's for your own benefit. Step 3. Choose annual billing instead of monthly. This drops your monthly cost significantly before any promo code even applies. Step 4. At checkout, verify the promo code is already in the discount field. If you used my link correctly, it should be there automatically. If it's empty, something went wrong. Go back and use the link again. Step 5. Check your final price. With annual billing plus the promo code, you should be seeing the lowest possible rate Helium 10 offers. That's it. Yes, it's that simple. 5 steps. Most people skip step 1 and lose the promo entirely. Others skip step 3 and miss the annual billing discount. Both mistakes cost you money every single month. Follow those 5 steps exactly. Click the link in my description below or pinned comment right now and lock in maximum Helium 10 savings before you do anything else. Hurry up while this offer lasts so that you do not miss these amazing discounts. God bless you.